Check out this strategy, folks, to make money with CPA marketing. With this method, you can snag CPA marketing offers from anywhere and promote them using a simple landing page, which I'll show you how to create in this video. So stick around as we dive right into CPA marketing offer to promote. We can grab offers from Max Bounty, CPA Grip, or any CPA marketing platform. I'm going to click on Register here, fill out my basic details in all the fields marked with those pesky red asterisks to create an account. Don't forget to check those boxes to agree to the terms of service. Those red asterisks mean business. Then, click Register to get your account set up. Once your account is created, log in and head over to the Offer Tools section. Click on My Offers, and you'll land on a page where you can filter offers by any demographic you fancy. I'm checking out offers in the United Kingdom and sorting them by payout. Look at those cool offers. Pick one, like a sweepstakes offer. For example, there's a $1,000 giveaway towards an iPhone 15 Pro Max. People need to enter their info for a chance to win, and they must be from the UK, use an Android device, and submit their email or zip code via a simple survey using your unique affiliate link. Each completed survey nets you $2.22. Nice, right? Copy the link to this offer, and let's create a landing page. You can promote multiple CPA offers on a single landing page. Google Sites and System.io work, but I'll use Linktree for this video. Once on Linktree, create a free account. There are paid plans, but let's keep it free for now. After logging in, you'll see your landing page. To add your offer, click Add Link, paste your link, but first, let's make it pretty with tinyURL. Go to tinyurl.com, paste your link, click Shorten, and copy the new, shorter link. Head back to Linktree, paste the shortened link, and click Add. Boom! Your offer is now added. Let's give it a snazzy title. Go back to CPA Grip, copy the offer title, return to Linktree, and paste it in. Let's say something like £100 towards iPhone 15 Pro Max to catch eyes. Since the offer is for the UK, let's jazz it up with a UK flag. Google UK flag, go to the Images section, pick one, right-click, and save it to your device. Then, back on Linktree, click the image icon for the offer, select Upload your own thumbnail, and choose the saved flag image. Now, you can see the image right here, and this is what it actually looks like. Alright, this is the United States flag. My bad, let's switch it back to the UK flag. Sorry for the mix-up. So, right now, you can see different UK flags. Maybe I want to use this one. I'm going to select it, right-click, and save the image. The image will be saved to my device. Once that's done, head back to this section, delete the old image, and upload the new one. The new image is being uploaded. I'll select this section, click on Crop, and the image will be uploaded. You can see it's going through the uploading phase now. Once it's uploaded and added, you can see it's changed right here. I'll just drag this to the top and add a header if needed by clicking on Add Header. The header will go to the top, saying, Select an offer for your country. Now, click on Share. Copy your Linktree link, and paste it in a new page to see how cool the Linktree page looks. Once your page loads successfully, you'll see how amazing this Linktree page is. For people coming from different countries, or if you're promoting this on a platform with a diverse audience, you need to add offers available to most countries. As you can see, it says, Select an offer for your country. They'll select an offer available to their country, click on it, complete it, and you earn some cool affiliate commissions. So, promote as many CPA marketing offers from various countries as you can, using Facebook. Once on Facebook, go to the Groups section and search for giveaway-related groups. You'll find many. Make sure you join groups with about 10 posts per day, indicating they're active. Now, click on Write Something in the group. Select a color for your post and write a simple text like, Interested in a free cash giveaway? Type Yes in the comments. Post it, and everyone interested will type Yes in the comments. For each person that types Yes, send them the link to your landing page. Ask them which country they're from before sending the link. If they're from a country you don't have an offer for, add offers for that country before sending the link. This way, you'll get lots of qualified leads for your offers. The cool thing is, Your post will likely be accepted by the group admin because you're not promoting any link directly in the post. You'll send them the link after they comment yes. Repeat this in as many groups as possible to get lots of qualified leads for your CPA marketing offers and make money online. If you're looking for other strategies to make money online, head to my channel. I regularly create videos on ways to boost your income online. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll always be alerted when I release new videos. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.